हेलो दोस्तों, मैं सूर्यांश पांडे आरएस एजुकेशनल वर्ल्ड में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। बेटा, हम लोग घटना चक्र की सीरीज इन्वायरमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी लेके चल रहे हैं और फिलहाल हम उसके थ्योरी पार्ट पे कंसंट्रेट करेंगे। इसके बाद हम इसके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन को भी डिस्कस करेंगे। फिलहाल हम एजेंडा 21 के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। एजेंडा 21 is a non-binding voluntary implemented action plan on the United Nations on Sustainable Development. It is a product of the Earth Summit United Nations Conference on Environment and Development held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992. Rio Plus 20 Conference. Rio Plus 20 is the short name for the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. This conference was held in Brazil in June 2012 to mark the 20th anniversary of the 1992 United Nations Conference on Environmental and Development. In Rio de Janeiro, the conference outcomes document entitled The Future We Want. Once again, The Future We Want was a call to action for government, business, and United Nations alike to support countries interested in the transition to a green economy. PAGE in full form, Partnership for Action on Green Economy, was created as the United Nations direct response to this call of action. Now, the next topic is organization and institution. National and international organizations and institutions are established for environmental conservation and protection. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute NEERI is situated in Nagpur, Maharashtra. It was established as Central Public Health Engineering Research Institution, in short form CPHERI, in 1958 to focus on water supply, sewage disposal, and related diseases, and to some extent on industrial pollution. NEERI is a pioneer laboratory in the field of environmental science and engineering and part of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, in short CSIR. NEERI has 5 zonal laboratories at Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Mumbai. Once again, the 5 zonal laboratories at Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Mumbai. NEERI work under the Ministry of Science and Technology of the Government of India. The National Environment Appellate Authority NEAA, better known as NEA, was set up by the Ministry of Environment and Forest to address cases in which environment clearance were required in certain restricted area. It was established by the National Environment Affiliates Authority Act 1997 to hear appeals with respect to restriction of area in which any industries, operations, or process shall or shall not be carried out subject to certain safeguards under the Environment Protection Act 1986. The World Meteorological Organization, in short WMO, provide a framework for international cooperation in the development of meteorological and operational hydrology and their practical application. WMO org- originated from the International Meteorological Organization, in short IMO, which was founded in 1873 to facilitate the exchange of weather information across national borders. WMO becomes a specialized agency of the United Nations on 17 March 1951. The World Meteorological Convention was implemented on 23rd March 1950. WMO has its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Once again, in Geneva, Switzerland. Its current Secretary General is Petri Talas. And President is Gerhard Adrian. Once again, Secretary General Petri Talas and President Gerhard Adrian of Germany. United Nations Environmental Program was established in 1972. It is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. Once again, Nairobi, Kenya. Head of UNEP is Anger Ederson of Denmark. Anger Ederson of Denmark. EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, is an agency of the US. It was established on 2nd December 1970 for enforcing standards and law that promote the health of human individuals and the environment. Greenpeace International is a non-governmental organization. Its headquarters is in Amsterdam, Netherlands. NITI, International Institute for Transforming India Ayog, Niti Ayog, is a nodal institution for coordinations and implementation of sustainable development goals in India. Now, the next topic, act related to environment conservation. Some acts are passed for promoting conservation of environment. The Environment Protection Act was passed in India in 1986. In India, Environment Protection Act 1986 is also known as umbrella legislation. The 1986 Act was passed for the purpose of implementation of decisions that were taken by United Nations Conference on Human Environment held in Stockholm. Environment Protection Act 1986 was enacted after Bhopal gas tragedy under Article 253, you know well about it, of the Constitution. This act provides a framework to the central governments for coordination of the activities of various central and state authorities under various previous laws. The Genetic Engineering Approval Committee is constituted under the Environmental Protection Act 1986. On 2nd July 2010, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee was renamed as Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. The National Green Tribunal was established on 18 October 2010 under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 for effective and expeditious disposal of cases relating to environmental protection and conservation of forests to provide the right to healthy environment cons- considered as a part of right to a life under article 21. Justice Adarsh Kumar Goyal is the present chairperson of the National Green Tribunal. Once again, Justice Adarsh Kumar Goyal, President, uh, present chairperson of National Green Tribunal. It was established to solve the problem relating to environmental safety, forest conservation, enforcement of legal rights, and to provide compensation to the victim for their property damage. This tribunal will help to reduce the number of trials which are pending in High Court. Tribunal is bound to solve application and petition within 1 month from the time of their filing. Next, environment some important fact for your exam. Access, urbanization, and industrialization is a challenge for sustainable development, ecology and environment, and biodiversity conservation. Green Development is a book written by W. M. Adams. Once again, Green Development book is written by W. M. Adams. The full form of this book is Green Development, Environment and Sustainability in a Developing World. The first edition of this book was published in the year 1990. Masanobu Fukuoka, the discoverer and innovator of natural farming, was a Japanese farmer and philosopher. It's important. Masanobu, Masanobu Fukuoka, Masanobufukuoka. Okay. Australia launched Green Army for environmental conservation, in which 15,000 youngsters of age between 17 to 21-year-old will be required. Under an agreement between Markfed of Punjab and Siag Group of Israel on 21 April 2001, the vegetables are grown by greenhouse farming in Punjab. Once again, it's important. The agreement between Markfed of Punjab and Siag Group of Israel for greenhouse farming, mixed cropping, organic manure, nitrogen fixing plants, and pest resistant crops varieties are the best strategy for environment friendly sustainable development in agriculture. This underlying dimension of SDG targeted uh, are closely related to education and health aspect, as evident in the positive correlation between HDI, known as Human Development Index, and SDG ranking. SDG known for Sustainable Development Goal ranking of India state. In 2020, the HDI rank of India is 131 in 189 countries, and the SDG rank of India in 2020 is 117. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. The first World Environment Day was celebrated in 1973. Stockholm Summit was held in 1972. It was the first World Summit on Environment. It was decided in this summit that World Environment Day will be celebrated on 5th June every year. In 2018, theme of the World Environment Day was Beat Plastic Pollution. India was the global host of 2018 World Environment Day. Once again, it's important. The theme of World Environment Day was Beat Plastic Pollution. India was the global host of 2018 World Environment Day. The World Environment Day 2019 was hosted by China with a theme of air pollution. In 2020, theme of the World Environment Day is biodiversity. This year's host is Colombia in partnership with Germany. Once again, 2020 theme of World Environment Day is biodiversity. This year's host is Colombia in partnership with Germany. Pakistan will host World Environment Day 2021. This year's observes observance of the World Environment Day will be on the theme of ecosystem restoration. Once again, the World Environment Day 2021 hosted by Pakistan and the theme is ecosystem restoration and focus on resisting our relation with nature. And the chapter is ended. Now the environment and sustainable development finished. The first chapter of environment and ecology is completed. Now we practice on the question related to this chapter from 2015 to 2020. Thank you. Be happy and keep happy. Jai Hind.